1 minute wisdom, reconnecting with your inner child. When was the last time that you found that great joy inside of you? You know, when you're a kid and everything's awesome and you get excited about things and you're just so excited about life and something's just a cool grooviness thing. What got you excited as a kid? What would make you laugh until the cows came home? What could you do for hours and get lost? I wasn't a good art student, but I liked finger painting. I liked getting my hands dirty and feeling the painting and just using that and getting my hands dirty and playing and having that tactile experience. Life happens and we become adults. How can you reconnect with your inner child? On next month's episode, we're talking about procrastination. Go out, clear your clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.